Hello you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah and I am a 23-year-old college student. I just turned 23 in December, and if you clicked on this video, it's because I'm moving. I'm so happy you made it. I thought I would just start off the vlog here, my moving vlog. I am moving to, just to give you guys a little bit of a background, I'm moving to Phoenix, Arizona, and I currently live in North Dakota. So I have quite the trek, and my brother and I are actually driving there tomorrow, and we're just going to take you guys along. And the reason I'm moving there is because I am in an occupational therapy program, and we have 3-month, well, we call them field works, but they're like clinicals. So I have a 3-month field work there, and that's where I'm going to be. I have a super cute little studio that I'll be living in, and I can't wait to move in there. I have been living at my parents' house since the pandemic started in March, and I've been living on my own for like 3 years before that, 3-4 years before that. So it's been quite a change, but I'm also super thankful that I was able to stay with my parents and save a little bit of money. But I don't know about you guys, but I love being on my own and having my independence. I feel like I thrive when I'm on my own, so I can't wait to get back to being on my own again and doing my own thing and having my own space, because I spend all my time in this room that's not really my room, it doesn't feel like, because parts of it is mine but like parts of it's not. So I'm super excited to just have my own space again and do my own thing. But anyways, I am so excited to bring you guys along. I plan to do an apartment tour once I get there and stuff, but today I need to pack. I haven't started packing at all, and it's 11:15 right now, and I leave tomorrow, so I have a lot to do within the next 24 hours, so I don't have that much time, but that's okay. I did organize a little bit before all of this. I've been trying to organize and get my life together for the past couple weeks, so that should make it a lot easier. I think my brother and I have a few stops in mind on the way, so obviously I'm going to show you guys that, and we'll go on a little road trip together. But it should be really fun, and I'm so excited to take you guys along on this little journey. And if you guys are moving or thinking about moving soon, I think that this will be a good way to show you guys maybe things that you need, things that you don't need, because I'm only going to be there for 3 months, so I'm not bringing my whole life with me, even though I'm going to be bringing probably too much clothes, so whatever. I also won't be decorating the whole place, but I do have some things in mind that I want to do to decorate it and kind of make it more my own and more cozy and cute, so that'll be really fun. But if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe down below. That'd mean the world to me. I'm so happy you guys are here, and let's get packing. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's all I'm bringing. That's nothing. I'm actually scared that I don't have enough. guys, I never updated you guys. I feel like you're like, this is so weird. I never updated you guys, but we made it to Arizona yesterday. I don't know what time we got here, 1 or something. Was it 1? I don't know. Anyways, it's like 6 o'clock the next day. I don't even know. Let's see. Yeah, 6:15 the next day. We've been putting together stuff at my apartment and chilling, I guess. But for those of you that want it, we're gonna do an apartment tour for you right now. And like I said, it's not gonna be like fully furnished ever because I'm only here for 3 months. So it's just gonna be like the bare minimum, but it's still cute. And I have some ideas to make it even cuter going forward. So let's go. Welcome to my crib, you guys. So in here we have the kitchen for the magic. Just kidding. Okay, right here we have a closet. This is my washer and dryer. I already have it like full of clothes, so that's good. I have a little cabinet right here. There's some random crap in here. I'm sure there will be more or there won't be because I have nothing. So we'll see. We got some cleaning supplies right here. And I need to set up my internet, so we got that right there. It's nice we have closet doors so I can hide this because no one wants to see that. And if you guys aren't aware, this is a studio apartment, so it's just the bedroom, living room, whatever you want to call it, and the kitchen. Okay, here's the kitchen. All of these rugs I had in other apartments from like Home Goods, Marshalls, Target, and I just brought them with so I could make it more cozy. Got the sink, you know, but it is nice because I have this sink. Happy about that. Andrew's crap. We have lots of storage. So obviously garbage, dishwasher. This is where I have my cups and stuff. I already put everything away pretty much that I have. I do need to get, plates probably, and then I'm probably good on cups because I can just use these. I think they're so cute. I might get some like plastic ones from Target, but really cute. All of my mugs for my coffee. Stove, obviously. Toaster, that was my aunt's. Shout out to you. And my fridge. We have nothing in here but the Chipotle raspberry sauce, Chick-fil-A cup with water, and Andrew's energy drink. Actually thirsty. Lots of storage in here. So that's nice, but I don't have anything to store, so that's okay too. Here, this is my kitchen table, you guys. So right now I have these on here to decorate. So I had to bring Seth with me. But this is my kitchen table. I think I'm gonna get like a stool so I can eat here or like sit on my computer here or whatever I need to do. Let's go in the bathroom first. Let's go in the bathroom. Here we are. So we go in, we have a little medicine cabinet. I've never had one of these before, so that's new to me. Kind of cool. The mirror, we have just some space down here, a lot of space down here actually. It's not very organized, but that'll be nice. My aunt's towel, thanks again. An old rug. And another old rug. My favorite part of the shower is tile. It's like fake tile probably. Whatever, it's like fake marble tile. But that's my favorite part because it's really cute. We think that this apartment has been like half renovated because the ones that I saw didn't look like this. I mean, they kind of did, but it was like different colors for the kitchen and bathroom situation. But now we're in my bedroom and I obviously had to bring my clothing rack so I can put all my clothes on it for my new collabs. Plus, she looks cute. It just decorates the space, you know. Just got this ring light for Christmas from my brother.
That's me.
Thanks. I'm gonna be really just TikToking it up or trying to. Bitch. And then we have my blow-up bed. My blow-up bed, which I feel like you can't even tell that it's a blow-up bed. Can you?
Not
it's
really.
Nice, actually. It was not thinking it would be. But yeah, it's kind of cute that it's low to the ground. And then over here, we decorated her up a little bit. Decorated her up with this little cutie. I do have nightstands that I'll probably be using. Actually, I will be using. So that'll be going there. But I was also thinking it'd be cute if I did like little books underneath this and like kind of decorated it. Andrew said that we should go to a thrift store and do that. So kind of think that's a good idea. And then we have the lights behind the bed, which I'm really happy about. Since I'm not bringing much here, or since I didn't bring much here, I thought that I should like decorate a little bit. So I got these off of Amazon, and they're so nice because they change colors with the music, and it's just really fun and cozy. And then when it's dark, it just is like a vibe. And then we got, the reason I wanted this apartment is literally because of this mirror. And I'm happy about this mirror because it really like opens up the space, because this is 490 square feet. So it's tiny, so this is really nice to have. And really big for, you know, all those outfit of the days. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of me out there on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. And then we have this really messy closet right now. We just shoved everything in here so we could film this for you guys. So I'm sorry, but I will be obviously putting all my clothes up here. But it is nice and spacious in there, which I do need for my clothes because I have a lot. So yeah, I do have like a view of the pool and palm trees. So I'm happy about that because I can see out my window. And I feel like that's pretty much it. I'll be like keeping you guys updated on different things that I do to decorate. When I get my nightstand, I can show you guys what that looks like. And we're also going to be going to like Target and stuff like that to make sure I have like food, things I need going forward. Okay, well that is it for my little 490 square foot studio apartment. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any ideas on how I could decorate this space inexpensively. Is that a word? Inexpensively?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. If you have any ideas, let me know, because I'm not going to be here long. Nothing that takes up too much space, because I don't have that much space. Okay, see you guys.
You can change one of those, you can point at you.
I tried standing there, it didn't look good. Look here, come here. How good it looks.
I look red.